Most people try to influence others by talking more, explaining more, proving more, pushing more. And that's exactly why they fail. Because real influence is silent. The less you show, the more people think about you. In the previous video, I told you how to become harder to read, how to stay quiet, how to not reveal everything. But that was just the first step. Because once people can understand you, they start focusing on you. And that's where influence begins. People like Johan Liebert don't control others by force. They don't argue. They don't convince. They don't chase. They simply exist, and people start moving according to them. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to influence people without saying much. Step 1. Create silent presence. Influence doesn't start with words. It starts with presence. When you enter a room, what do people feel? Most people try to fill silence. They talk quickly, move quickly, react quickly. And that makes them predictable. Now imagine someone different, someone calm, someone quiet, someone who doesn't rush. People notice that, not because you're loud, but because you're different. Johan never tried to stand out. He stood still, and that stillness made people uncomfortable. Your goal is not to speak more. Your goal is to make people aware of you, without trying. Slow movements, minimal reactions, stable body language. When you stop trying to be noticed, people start noticing you. Step 2. Make people talk. Most people influence by speaking. He influences by listening. Because when people talk, they reveal everything. Their fears, their desires, their weaknesses. And the more they talk, the more they trust you. Johan didn't convince people. He let them convince themselves. Instead of speaking, ask simple questions. Then stay quiet. Let the silence push them to continue. People hate silence. They will fill it. And in that process, they give you control. Because now, you understand them better than they understand you. Step 3. Mirror them subtly. People trust people who feel familiar. Not powerful, not impressive, familiar. Johan never forced connections. He reflected people. If someone was calm, he was calm. If someone was emotional, he matched their tone. Not completely, just enough. Slightly match their speaking speed, their tone, their energy. This creates comfort. And when someone feels understood, they lower their guard. They stop analyzing you. And that's when influence becomes easy. Because now, they feel like you're on their side, even if you said very little. Step 4. Use less words. The more you talk, the less value your words have. Most people explain too much. They try to be clear. But clarity is not always powerful. Mystery is. Johan didn't give long speeches. He said less. But what he said stayed in people's minds. Use short, simple statements. Pause after speaking. Let people think. Example. Instead of explaining everything Gaoya, say something that makes them question, something incomplete. Because when people think, they become involved. And when they are involved, they become influenced. Step 5. Plant ideas. Don't force them. This is the most important part. If you tell someone what to do, they resist. If they think it's their idea, they follow it. Johan never controlled people directly. He planted thoughts, small suggestions, questions, doubts. And then, he let the person decide. Instead of saying, "You should do this," say, "What do you think would happen if?" Now the idea is in their mind. And once an idea is inside someone's mind, they will build it themselves. And when they act, they believe it was their choice. That's real influence. Most people think influence is about power, about dominance, about control. But the truth is, real influence is quiet. It doesn't force. It doesn't argue. It doesn't chase. It guides. When you speak less, observe more, and understand people deeply, you don't need to control them. They move on their own, and they won't even realize why.